Hey, what's going on, fellas? If you're new to the channel, my name's Austin, and today we are doing a different kind of video. I have not done sit-down reaction style videos before, but today we are going to be reacting to my 10 years of BMX progress. I started riding bikes when I was 12 years old, and I'm 22 now, so there's obviously been a lot of progress in between those years, and I'm just kind of curious to see what year held the most progress in it. Alright, so 2012, 2013. This was my first 180 ever downstairs, and that's why I was so pumped, obviously. The flat shorts would never move. I don't know why I wore them. My first 360 off something, 2014. First wall rides. That was definitely my first 180 bar. Disgusting. I thought I was really doing nose manuals were good after that book. First switch feeble 180 down something. I don't even nollie 180 downstairs now. And I definitely don't 180 stairs. I've always loved this line. I'm pretty sure this line was first try. Oh god. Grossest rollout known to man right there. But it was opposite. Finally starting to get the hang of ice picks. I did not realize I could feeble hard since 2015. Or Smith hard since 2015. I can't even 5-cab now. That was my first kind of legit 180 bar. First handicap rail. That was legit. If you asked me to do a switch quick 180 right now, I wouldn't do it. Only foot plant 3. God dang. I probably couldn't do that first try today. Foot feeble hard. One of my favorite tricks that I can do, have ever done. Oh man, the year bar spins finally started to work. I think that was like my first and last ice crank flip. It's a fun line. Pegs crank flip. Can't tell you the last time I did a pegs crank flip. That truck, first ever truck, and I think it was after my French final in high school. Opposite feeble hard 180. Still one of my favorite tricks. I don't really do them that much though. Nollie cap. The year of the nollie cap. I have not done a bar spin that big since. Oh my god, I gotta learn 5-caps again. I'm on cassette right now, so should work. Oh yeah. 180 T-box, I just picked up that trick again. I love them. Oh my god. First tail whip. Only time I've ever done a G-turn. Oh, I love this line. Another crank flip feeble hard. I was a big nollie cab guy for a while. Only roof drop I'm gonna do. Hitting the whole thing. Oh man. I think every BMX rider goes through a phase of just hitting every rail in sight. Oh my god, I gotta start doing 5 cabs again. Could not do that trick right now if you ask me. I really want to learn them again though. I miss having a box and a manual pad combo, like that was my buddy Brent Atwood. First opposite grind on like a normal size rail. Hard 180. Oh my goodness. I think they took that rail out. Switch bars are not your friend. Or not my friend, I should say. Some people are really good at them. Oh, first tail pop something. I wish that line was faster, just because it's such like a cool clip, but I was going -2 miles per hour. Oh.
On the pizza.
Oh my god. My whips are not that good. I can assure you my whips do not look like that anymore. First rail ride 180. On a round rail, at least. Oh, dude, I remember this one. First try for that guy. That guy just asked if I could do any tricks, and I did that. I don't even do that trick anymore. 2018 kind of slacking on clips. Yeah, that trick, I don't even know how it worked. That rail, it dipped down, so you got like this weird little pop out of it. I didn't ask anybody to film it because I really didn't think it was gonna happen, and it was just one of those things, you get the right pop and you throw the bar spin, and next thing you know, you kind of black out and you fakey out. Easy. I gotta start doing tailwhips again. Fakey whip. Couldn't do that right now if you ask me. 20. Oh my god, I gotta learn nollie 180 bars again. This was one of my favorite setups to ride, actually. It was literally just a handicap rail, but there was like a 2-set, and it was like a manual pad. Such a fun little setup. It was lit by my truck's headlights, so. And I'm not a wall ride guy, so. I'm currently riding cassette, so watching all these free coaster clips makes me want to go back to free coaster. Feeble. Hard bar. That's another trick that I need to start doing again. First opposite handrail. 3. Oh man. I really want to start doing handrails again, but I broke my tailbone like 2 summers ago, and I have not touched one since. I want to get back into it. Seeing these switch grinds down handrails, it stresses me out. I still think that clip right there is a NBD at that spot, which is hard to come by at that spot because it's like so popular in BMX and skateboarding and all that. Pretty sure that is an NBD. I stand by that today. Only ever 180 over a rail. Over a handrail, I should say, because I just did that. Tires. I'm pretty sure that clip was either first or second try. Oh, I wish I could do that trick again. '2020 was gnarly. 2020 was gnarly, for sure. This is all from some Spencer Forsman Instagram challenge. I don't know how that 360 worked. Ice menu. Hang 5. Ices are a trick I don't usually mess with, so that was cool. Oh yeah. It's the opposite 180. So pumped on that tooth bar. I'm such a bar spin guy, such a little bar spin rat. Oh, I gotta get a tail ups again. Hang 10. I love all those front wheel balance tricks. I wish I could nose menu better though. So last year. Oh, little 5 cap. My 5 caps in like 2016 or 2017 were better than that. Fakey Ruben, I've only seen like 2-3 riders do that. So I was pumped when I learned that. I think that's easily one of the coolest clips I've ever gotten. Feeble bar manual 180. Me trying to be Brandon Began. .180 whip. I actually like sprained my ankle pretty heavily trying that trick recently, so. Pegs hard bar. Have only done 2 in my life. And it was on this ledge. This was my favorite ledge at Woodward. Huge nose manual guy. That's a trick I want to keep doing. And then this year is obviously not going to have many clips. Oh yeah. I'm not a hop T-bog guy, so I was pumped on that. That was absolutely terrifying. And that is my 10 years of BMX Progress. I think 2020 was easily the most crazy year for progress. I was doing a lot of handrail tricks. I was doing a lot of technical tricks. And I was just feeling good on the bike. I want to get back to that point. I'm just petrified of rails. I'm going to try to get back into it though. So stay tuned. We're going to keep riding. We're going to keep filming. So just remember.
Captain BMX Boy.
No, I got to show your face.
No, we good. We good. It's worth millions. It's worth millions.